Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to take control of your privacy by customizing exactly who can see your phone number on the Facebook app when using your PC. If you've ever wondered how to keep your personal info visible only to certain people, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually found just below your cover photo or in the menu options under your name. Click on About to open up more details about you. Within the About section, you'll see a summary called Overview. Here, you'll find your basic information, including your phone number if you've added one. Next to your phone number, there's a small audience icon. This icon shows who can currently see your number. Maybe it's set to public, friends, or only you. To change this, click on the audience icon right next to your phone number. A menu will pop up with different privacy options. Select Custom from the list. This is where you can get specific about who can and can't see your phone number. In the custom settings, you'll find fields where you can type in the names of friends, groups, or lists who should have access. You can also choose to hide your number from specific people by adding their names to the Don't Share With field. Once you've filled out these fields to match your preferences, click Save to lock in your changes. That's it. You've just set up custom privacy for your phone number on Facebook, giving you full control over who can view your contact information. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips on managing your privacy and making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.